Oh. What's that?
Look at these.
Yeah.
Movies.
What's that?
Wow, look at this bicycle.
Yeah. It's red.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
It's got a flag on it.
Yeah.
What's that, Lauren? What is it?
Watch this.
You want to get on it?
Yeah.
What's that, Lauren? What is it?
Okay. Let me move the seat up. All right. Here. Oh.
It's a bicycle.
Yeah.
Oh, look. A red radio.
Yeah.
Lauren, what is that?
Yeah, Daddy.
What is it, Lauren?
It's a radio.
You want to go too?
Uh-oh.
You want
They
to go?
have a movie in there.
It don't.
No.
Uh-oh.
We'll have to put one in there.
How about these? These have movies.
She can't get her baby out, Teddy.
Daddy.
Daddy, I can't get my baby out.
Oh.
Baby.
Baby out? Okay. All right, hang on.
Hey, look at this cool soccer ball.
A soccer ball.
Yeah.
All right.
Whoa. You want it open?
Yeah. So I can play with it.
Lauren,
Oh.
what you got, Lauren? Yes, a baby.
Gotcha.
All right.
Well, no present for me.
Yeah.
Can you open it?
Okay. You want to get on this and ride down the roller coaster?
Yeah.
Sit on there and ride down.
It's too far away
You can do it.
over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
We'll help her, Daddy.
Okay.
But
All right. Hang on.
this is going
Hang on. I'll help you. Okay. I'll hold your hand. You can go down it.
You can go down too, Lauren.
All right. You ready?
Hey! Again.
You gotta turn it around. Oh.
You want to drive it up there? Okay.
You gotta turn it around.
Lauren, turn. Lauren wants a turn.
If I want to turn again.
Lauren gets a turn.
Yeah, Lauren, turn. Let
Look,
Lauren go
Whole
first.
Foods gone too. Let her have a turn. Oh, she's scared.
You have to put her up there.
Okay.